Whole class reward games are the perfect way to promote on-task student behaviors. Hi, I'm Jen from Make Your School Awesome, and today I'm going to show you how to build a giant board game that promotes positive classroom behaviors. It's time to build Spin That Wheel. Let's go. Number 1, let's start by building the game board by making each game square using a full sheet of printing paper. I designed these using canva.com. I selected simplistic elementary images and paired them with fun, bold text. If you're not familiar with Canva, then import images and use text features in Word. Number 2, print basic gaming terms such as move 1 square forward, free spin, or whole class reward incentives like ice pops for the class. Be creative and make 20 to 30 authentic pieces. Make the pieces challenging, colorful, and engaging. Number 3, when creating these pieces, imagine where you would like to display them. I recommend a separate class bulletin board or along the top of your chalkboard in the front of your classroom. Make sure you build it to scale for a functional size that will work in your space. Number 4, for your final game piece, select a grand class prize that everyone would like to enjoy. The prize I selected was a class glow party. What group of students wouldn't want to work towards that? Number 5, when making each game piece, mat each square using bright colored poster paper with a glue stick. This will help the colors pop. Number 6, now let's build that spinner. Trace your large bowl and carefully use your razor blade to cut around your 10 to 12 inch circle. Personally, I like to keep the bowl in place when I slice around it. Number 7, with the remaining thick foam board, cut 12 to 5 inch rectangle. Number 8, let's work on that spinner. Take a ruler and marker and carefully divide your circle into 4 even slices. Number 9, cut bright colored paper or thin decorative foam pieces to cover each slice to add some vibrant dimensions. Number 10, using a medium-sized aspirin or vitamin cap, trace and cut out the center of your circle. Number 11, create your prongs on the spinning wheel by hot gluing mini triangles cut from the colored foam. Number 12, attach the fidget spinner to the back of your circle. Make sure you only tape the 3 arms with your duct tape. Stay away from that center area. Number 13, flip over your circle and glue a decorative center to hide the fidget spinner to give it a complete and finished look. Glue large bold numbers to indicate how many spaces each slice is worth. I chose 1, 2, 3, and free spin. Glue all of them into place. Make that spinner a real showpiece. Number 14, using your hot glue gun, secure your spinner by attaching the center circle to your rectangular base. Number 15, it's time to make your pointer. Cut a medium-sized arrow out of your note card. Number 16, cut a mini rectangle out of the remainder of your card. Fold that rectangle into an A-frame. Number 17, with your hot glue gun, glue your pointer into place. Now your board is ready to rock. Number 18, use your classroom tracker to promote positive and productive behaviors, and if they stay engaged, reward them with a good behavior spin. Keep your students on track as they enjoy playing Spin That Wheel. Thanks for watching, and follow us on the gram at Make Your School Awesome.